So I didn't update for a long time. I just moved with biochemical salts. I'm using it regularly. So here is one example. I want to switch back to batch flower remedies. So this is called water violet, a remedy for loneliness. So here's a case study. The person is around like 33 years of age and he is on his own. He never interferes with other people's matters and he doesn't want other people to involve in his matters. So this happens like a week before, and the situation is like he is constantly in a mental stress, and it's because of one of his family member. He is like misunderstood him and blaming him. So it was not his mistake, and the thought of being blamed and being cornered for not doing any mistake hurts him the most. So clearly it's a symptom of, so I actually used my chart, Horary chart, to find this remedy because it's not easy. So he has been lonely for many years. He has been living alone for many years, and if somebody annoys him or somebody makes him disturbed, the thought runs within him for a long time. So I recommended the remedy water violet for this condition, and then pine for the hurt feelings, for something someone says he's getting hurt. For that, pine was the remedy. And then white chestnut, I recommended that because it was a wheel of thought for him for the past 1 month. So these three remedies greatly helped him, and he quickly recovered from this issue and he's feeling better. So picking a remedy is not that easy. You have to go with a lot of things, and you have to trust your intuition. So only when you trust your intuition and you have a clear thought, clear mind, you will pick the remedy. So it's not easy. It will take a lot of practice. So you can check out my course. My course is available on Udemy. I have shared what I use, shared what I follow. I teach what I follow. You can use it because I have given a new idea of this is something like the next stage of batch flower remedies, because I have used the Indian medicine system where everything is based on planets, everything is based on time. So I have used the time, planets, and the problem and the remedies. So this is completely combined into a single chapter. So you will not find it anywhere, you will not find it in any book. So I have matched based on the planet's nature, which is completely amazing, and it just worked. So I didn't prepare for this, it just worked. It just happened to map this and find it with the Horary chart. So you'll find the system so interesting, and you'll make more patients cure if you follow this method, if you are practicing this method, and there will be no confusion. So suppose in this situation, like, you will think of different things. Which remedy should I prescribe? He is blaming someone, so you'll pick willow, but it's not actually willow. So I have cornered the 7 emotion states, and one of them is loneliness. The reason is loneliness. I just framed it. So once when you find the major picture, then you can easily solve the problem. Most people will think it's uncertainty, or it becomes completely difficult unless and until you are an empath. So if you are an empath, you can read the emotion states, but if you are not an empath and if you are practicing regularly, then batch flower remedies will become tough. So just I gave this for everyone to use. The course is very cheap. It's a simple investment, and it will help you a lot. It will help you to learn a lot, practice a lot. And this is how the earlier Ayurvedic system worked. So I just use the same concept again and again. So I'm planning to like bring a course on Ayurvedic system, homeopathic system, and the bio cell salts. So the next thing I would be doing is the bio cell salts, and it takes time. It can take like 1 year, 2 years. So currently it's around like 2 years of practice. I'm thinking daily. So it's not a ready-made system. No medical system is a ready-made system. It's not like a question and answer. It's not a quiz. It takes practice. It takes like understanding the patient, and then you are prescribing the right medicine. So there is no shortcut with it. It can take around like 10 years of mastery. It can take 20 years. So I'll be planning to post the cell salts course as early as possible within this year, because I've been reading it for a very long time. So I'll be using it. My approach to medicine would be very easy. My approach to medicine will be like, do the basic things, keep your mind clear, follow the simple steps, understand the situation. So that's the most important thing. What is the real problem? You need to find it. So once when you find the first step, what's the real problem, and the second step would be like how to solve it. What is the easiest way? So you have to go with the easiest and the step what is necessary. So that's all. Medicine is easy, and you have to have a passion for it. So it's an art, and every art is having, to master an art you need to have more passion. So see you in next episode. If you want to check my course, you can check the link in the description.